Y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes, and you want to know why you up in this angle? Because baby, I'm procrastinating.
Everybody needs some
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes, and you want to know why you up in this angle? Because I am multitasking. Baby, I'm doing a TikTok and now I'm doing my YouTube video, okay? Like, don't say your girl is not trying. And let me try to put y'all back how I was. Like, why I did that to y'all. But this is a better angle too, because y'all can still see the hair. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this down, give y'all the products. Let me give y'all the products right now. So I am using Design Essential avocado almond and avocado daily moisture, okay, and I'm using my people say it on TikTok what it is. I don't say the blue stuff, but Norbia, this blue stuff. And then what I'm gonna use is this scalp cleanser after I did a takedown. And you can focus on me. Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? It's not focus, baby. Now it's focus, baby. So yeah, that is the scalp cleanser serum from Design Essential. So let's go.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Okay, so now that my hair is loose with all the curls, I'm gonna go in and use the Design Essential. So and I'm gonna lather it all over my head. And this to moisturize my hair. My hair gets really dry and I need like a lot of moisturizer with my hair. And this right here gets my hair to be dry, to not be dry. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Nairby. And I'm pulling my hair my hair is extremely thick. So once I do that, I take all the little curls, and what I do is I pick it out. And once it get dry, it's gonna pick out. But what I do is fan everything, make sure the moisturizer go to each layer. Making sure all the curls, make sure that I'm getting every bit, I'm picking everything out. So I'm picking everything out, making sure I'm gonna style it how I want to once it get dry. So I'm gonna come back once it get dry and you're gonna see. Right now it's just wet, but you're gonna see once it get dry how it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna be using this little small hair blower to just dry my hair now that I have finished. So let's go. And what I'm doing, I'm grabbing my hair and blow drying it out. Like I'm kind of squinching it a little bit and like pulling it out, like scrunching and pulling it out. But usually I let it air dry. But this will work when it don't get your hair too hard. So that's why I'm drying it out instead of like air drying it, like drying out a little bit, because with the hair dryer, because I don't like it to be hard. Because I did put a lot of product, but my hair is like, my hair is dry sometimes, so it's gonna soak out. My hair is usually like suck up moisturizers, if you not know. Like Design Essential is the only moisturizer that is like daily and it lasts forever. So that's why I'm not kind of drying it too much, because daily moisturizer, let me tell you something. Daily Design Essential, this avocado almond daily moisturizer lotion is everything. When I tell you everything. And my hair is still soft. I mean, with the Dose or Dose DOUX for the honey for the detangling with my avocado and almond, I have a winning team when it comes to my natural hair, because my hair is still soft. It still has that curly pattern. It looks like it's moisturized. It's not dry looking. And that's how I like my hair until I put a wig on. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, this is the final look. If you have any questions, if what is your like moisturizer, I would love to hear. I'm actually gonna do a video of what the best moisturizer was for my type of hair. That would throughout the years is definitely trial and error. I've been natural for over 11 years now, so it's definitely a trial and error that I had been using. So I'm gonna do another video of like what moisturizer works for me. But if you like this video, my conclusion of my wash day and how my hair look like from, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, go ahead, subscribe to your girl, and we'll be back. Love y'all. Bye.
We have Campari Patron.